Let's quickly see the UI integrator. So here you will be able to input the system prompts, and this is the area for the user queries. So what I'll do is like I'll just copy the same prompt what we used the last day, and I'll input that into the UI. Now I need to copy each of the prompt one at a time. So I added all my prompt. If you want to delete any of the prompt, you don't have a modify option. You have to delete and add it again. Once that is done, you just click on the run. I missed to add the loader, so that's pending for tomorrow. I think that's running now. The request will be sent to the cluster backend, and now you can see the result. So in the result summary, you can now see the prompt one and prompt two, the average latency, input token, and average count. So for the latency, I made the higher one red color and the smaller one like green color. Basically, like the latency smaller the better. And but the token counts, what I did is like the larger one red color and the smaller one green color. So in quick look, while comparing, okay, which one is better. As I said last day also, this is not yet to decide like which prompt is better because you need to play around a bit more. If you want to see the full result, click on this full result and you can see like each of the prompt being run on the both system prompt, right? And the entire answer, right? Each of them, what was the latency and what was the token count if you want to analyze it in detail. So in the code side, what I have done is like I just modified my this run comparison function what we had like a dummy last day there. So I just made it to call my API, and coming down I just made some of the changes on my buttons like to add the user queries into that corresponding state variable. And coming down I added some of the conditions to show and hide the UI. Basically, like you can see these two sections now, like the result summary and result, but when you start like refresh you don't have that two sessions, right? And disabling the button showing like you need to fill the both the data to click that button, things like that. I have done that, like just implemented that color rules like for the latency and other stuffs. Like in the summary you can see there is like result dot average latency 2 less than latency 1, then I'm using the green 500, else I'm using the red 500. So that kind of changes. So what you can do is like you can just check my last commit. You will get to know what all the code changes I have today. Cool. That's it.